Hey YouTube, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you my grandfather's train, and it was a John Deere HO Scale locomotive diesel. And I'm going to get it off the truck right now. This is what it looks like when it's off the track. Then I'm going to try to see if I can get back on with this. I don't even know what it's called. I believe it's called a ramp for a train. That's what I believe it's called. And I just got the train back on, as you can see. Then there's my grandfather's three trains. The other one broke, and I added 3 cabooses to the group, and I'm about to connect the cars to my train. And this is my first train set, because it was passed down to me from my grandfather. If anyone knows how to like get trains repaired, or even recommend me to any videos on how to repair them, so I can have 4 more locomotives running and on my Kato HO Scale train rail. This is my Santa Fe, one of my Santa Fe locomotives. I have another one. Both of them needs to be repaired. This is another one that needs to be repaired anyways. I have a Rock Island HO Scale diesel locomotive. Here's what it looks like. And it's the number is 4301 Rock Island locomotive. Then I have a tug locomotive. I'm not sure what's the actual name for it, but here it is. And if anyone has recommendations on the videos, on any videos on me to learn how to repair my trains, or what stores I can take them to get it repaired, then leave in the comments. And like the video, subscribe to my channel. This is my very first video in a while. I'm sorry that I wasn't making videos. I just needed a break. Most YouTubers actually need breaks from what is it? There's their YouTube channel, but I'm about to switch back to the topic of my locomotives. I'm about to like start up my train right now. This is the control panel that I currently have. I'm sorry that the camera view is very crappy, but I'm gonna start up the locomotive right now. There it goes. and it's gonna come back around from underneath my bed. From over there. It is a beautiful train, as you can tell. But if y'all have any information on how to get a locomotive repaired, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, catch you in the next video. Peace.